Ever dreamt of breaking free from the chains of poverty and becoming a 9 to 5 millionaire? Well, buckle up because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs on how you can make that dream a reality. It all starts with mastering your budget like a pro. Say goodbye to mindless spending and hello to strategic saving. The key is to track every penny, cut unnecessary expenses, and invest wisely. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar earned. But it's not just about saving. It's also about increasing your income. Don't settle for just a 9 to 5 job. Explore side hustles, freelancing, or starting your own business. The possibilities are endless when you hustle smart. And speaking of smart, educate yourself about personal finance. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed financial decisions. Now, here comes the crucial part, breaking the poverty mindset. Believe in your ability to achieve financial success. Visualize yourself living the life of a millionaire and take actionable steps every day to get closer to that reality. It won't be easy, but with determination and perseverance, you can break the poverty cycle and become the 9 to 5 millionaire you've always dreamed of. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future? Start implementing these tips today and watch your wealth grow. Remember, the power to change your life is in your hands. Let's break the poverty cycle together and pave the way to a brighter, wealthier future.